Today I'm going to be using George Foreman Grill to grill my fish. Basically it's very simple. It should take like 7 minutes or so on medium heat. I basically wash my fish a little bit and then just, can be any kind of white fish or tuna. I mean salmon or whatever tuna. It should take about 7 minutes or so to finish on the George Foreman Grill. And you can put, I don't know, garlic in here or whatever you want, doesn't matter. Put a little bit of salt here. You don't want too much to get too salty, right? Probably gonna take some off here. I put too much, I think. Yeah, the salt will clean the slumminess a little bit. Okay, I think it's ready to go. So I'm gonna put in the foil, like so. So once, I mean the grill is non-stick, but just in case I'll put it in here. So it won't stick very much. You can put a little bit of oil you want. Maybe I'll do that. So it won't stick too bad. Just a little bit, not much, not too crazy. Yeah, a little bit. On both sides. Just a little bit. Okay. Should be ready to go. I'm just gonna put the fire on both sides and put it on the grill for like 7 minutes or so. This is my lean, mean, fat grilling machine. Not only you can use this for steak, but you can use this for other meat. I use this a lot for my fish, you know, grilled fish. It's fantastic. It only takes like 6-7 minutes and it's done, and it's so juicy. And I'm gonna set this to up to like like 11, if I can see it very well. Let's see, it should be at 11. Here you go, it's 11, it's kind of hard to see. And then just put the fish in there for 7 minutes. Okay, maybe 8 minutes, it might take a little bit longer. See that? Very simple. Because I put the foil, so maybe it go for like 10 minutes. It's not gonna close very well yet, but that's all right. I'll set my timer to like 10 minutes. Matter of fact, I'll increase my power to, I think it's 13 now. Kind of hard to see. I think it's 13. So 10 minutes, this is pretty much done. You can tell by the meat here. So pretty much done.